guys, welcome to another video in my channel. My name is GlowBern and my dream is to travel Japan. That is the reason why I ordered this box. It is called the UMAI box by Japan Crate. UMAI means delicious, I believe. On the box it says, experience the flavors of Japan through noodles. So it's pretty much a box of noodles for me to try and experience Japan. So this is another unboxing video. I hope you enjoy it. So let's open up this box. Oh, it's such a big box. It smells good already. And we have the flyer. Alright. May 2018 UMAI Crate by Japan Crate. So the flyer lists all the noodles that is included in the box with a little description, and it also has directions on how to cook it. That's so cool because I'm pretty sure all of this will be in Japanese and I don't read Japanese. So at least I have directions in my little flyer. Probably should not throw this away after this video. Alright, so the first item is this. This is the sesame salad sauce udon. Are you a fan of sesame? If so, this sauce is right for you with its rich notes of sesame in its sauce. Dress the crate's zaru udon in the sauce. Serve it on a bed of lettuce and tomatoes. Try it with zaru udon, cucumber, and chicken breast. Oh, that's cool. So you don't really have to just eat the noodles itself. You can also try it with chicken. And there's the directions to cook it. So sesame. Ooh. Oh, it shows it on the picture as well. Like if you can see, there's lettuce and tomato, and then that's probably the noodles, and then on top there's the chicken. And of course, because this is food, I'm gonna be recording a video of me tasting all of this stuff. So watch out for that. Subscribe so that you don't miss that video. I'm sure it's gonna be fun and weird. I'm not sure how these noodles will taste, but I hope they're all good. Next up is this one. It says green curry, and it has like green packaging. So this is the Asian rice noodles green curry. Take a break from the accompanying udon and ramen noodles with this vermicelli noodle dish. Vermicelli is a traditional type of pasta similar to spaghetti. With an added green curry sauce, toss your favorite meat and vegetables for a filling feast. Try it with bacon, green bell pepper, and onion. That's what it looks like. I've never had green curry noodles. That might be an interesting to try. Next up in the box is this big guy here. That's what it looks like. It is the Hiyashi Tanuki Udon. This udon gets its name from tanuki. Tanuki refers to raccoon dogs. Raccoon dogs? Which are figures in Japanese mythology that bring good luck. Oh, good luck noodles! Tanuki udon is typically served with tempura bits called tenkasu. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Serve this udon cold as a main dish at a spring dinner, and perhaps pair it with a plate of gyoza or karage on the side. Try it with hard-boiled egg, cucumber, and grape tomato. I've never had cold noodles before. That is interesting. I wonder how that would taste, especially now that it's winter in Australia. I wonder if that's a good idea. I come from the Philippines and all food is always served hot. The reason being that it's a third world country. Not many people have refrigerators. So if it's cold, it's more or less not good for your tummy, if you get what I mean. Right, next thing in the box is this one. Ah, it's pink. That's cute. It is the Ume Shiso Small Udon. Ooh, this mini udon is perfect for a late night snack or meal. Its soup is infused with notes of plum and okra. Plum. I've never had plum. I like okra, but together, I don't know. For a unique taste and an invigorating feeling that will leave your taste buds pleased. Try it with bean sprouts, narutomaki fish cake, and green onions. Next one in the box is this one. Genmai Ramen. Ever feel guilty about a bowl of ramen? This ramen offers a healthier approach with its brown rice noodles. Nice. The noodles are accompanied by a rich broth with notes of sesame that is sure to make you and your stomach satisfied. Try it with corn, bamboo shoots, and green onions. Another sesame kind of noodles, but this one's with brown rice noodles. Healthier option. Next in the box, we have this cup noodles. Dashi ga kiteru soba. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Sorry if I'm butchering the name. Soba is the Japanese name for buckwheat. Soba noodles are served either cold or hot all over Japan. These noodles differ from the usual as they have a crimped style and lay in a rich soy sauce broth that is sure to please your palate this spring. Try it with bonito flakes, fried tofu, or seaweed. I'm definitely gonna try this hot. Next up in the box is this one. It looks like it's just noodles. Like, it doesn't look like it has any like sauce or anything. Zaru Udon. That's what it's called. Zaru Udon is a popular cold noodle dish served in Japan. The name comes from the way that the dish is plated. Asaru is a bamboo draining basket. Ooh, DIY your own Zaru Udon noodles for an upcoming spring or summer night. They are usually served with thinly sliced seaweed on top, scallions, and grated Japanese radish on the side. Try it with sesame salad sauce, bacon, and tomato. Ah, so this is like a make your own, so you can like use it pretty much with anything. And interestingly enough, in this flyer here, there's a recipe. I don't know if you can see that. There's a recipe called banbanji bacon. And one of the ingredients is the Zaru Udon. I might actually make this using this recipe. I'm quite excited. I love bacon. Who doesn't love bacon? Like, bacon's the best thing in the whole world. And the last thing in the box is a pair of chopsticks. These look beautiful. Look at that design. It's like, it's got like red, yellow, and green, and black. Really long chopsticks too. Ah, this one's a bonus item. That's cool. Each UMAI crate comes with a collectible bonus item. For this month, pair your delicious variety of noodles with one of 2 colored and patterned chopsticks in red or black. I got the black one. The long length of the chopsticks is perfect for stir frying or cooking without your hand getting too close to the pot or pan. So that's why it's very long. So in this box, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 noodles. That's a lot. Like, in this huge box, I got 7 noodles. That's so cool. Let's see if I can hold them all up for you to see them. Nah, too hard. I can only hold up 5 of them. And you can't even see this one. Okay, there you go. And we have reached the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching me unbox the UMAI crate by Japan Crate. I ordered this box because I've always wanted to travel to Japan, and then when I saw this ad as I was scrolling through my Facebook and Instagram, I was like, who doesn't love noodles? I love noodles. Thanks so much again for watching this video, and I will be filming myself eating all of this and trying this out, so please subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss that. Please don't forget, my uploading schedule is every Wednesday 12 p.m. AWST, and I will be writing down in the description box all the other times in the different time zones. I still have to figure that out. Make sure to check the description box, and I shall see you next time with a travel vlog. Bye!